Hello, and welcome to a journey through time. We're going all the way back to the beginning, our destination, planet Earth. This is the story of our home, from its fiery birth to the bustling world we know today. It's a tale of dramatic change, incredible creatures, and the rise of an extraordinary species. Us, this planet has seen it all, continents colliding, ice ages gripping the globe, life clinging on in the face of extinction. It's a story of survival against the odds, and it's your story too. We'll explore vast oceans teeming with bizarre life forms. We'll walk alongside mighty dinosaurs as they rule the land. And we'll witness the dawn of humanity and the civilizations we've built. So, buckle up and get ready. Our adventure through epic history is about to begin. Imagine a swirling cloud of dust and gas, a vast cosmic nursery. This was our solar system billions of years ago. Gravity, the great architect of the universe, worked its magic. It pulled these particles together, spinning faster and faster. About 4.5 billion years ago, something incredible happened. A fiery ball ignited, our very own sun. Around it, the leftover dust and gas clumped together. These clumps became planets, including a hot, molten rock we now call Earth. In the beginning, there were no oceans, no continents, just a fiery, hostile world. Volcanoes erupted, spewing lava and gases into the atmosphere. Over millions of years, Earth slowly cooled. The fiery surface solidified into rock, forming the first continents. Water vapor condensed, falling as torrential rain and forming the first oceans. Our planet was changing, setting the stage for the most remarkable chapter of all life. The young Earth was a world of extremes. Volcanoes still raged, and the atmosphere was thick with noxious gases. Yet in this harsh environment, something miraculous occurred. Life emerged. Around 3.5 billion years ago, in the warm waters of primordial oceans, the first single-celled organisms appeared. These tiny life forms were simple, but they possessed something extraordinary, the ability to reproduce. Life spread through the oceans, evolving and adapting. These early organisms released oxygen as a byproduct of their metabolism. This oxygen, slowly accumulating in the atmosphere, would transform our planet. The emergence of life was a pivotal moment in Earth's history. It set in motion a chain of events that would lead to the incredible diversity of life we see today, including ourselves. Life on Earth has an incredible ability. It adapts and changes. Over millions of years, new species evolved, each uniquely suited to its environment. The oceans teemed with bizarre and beautiful creatures. Jellyfish drifted through the water, trilobites scuttled across the seabed, and giant fish patrolled the depths. Around 400 million years ago, life took another momentous step. It moved onto land. Plants colonized the barren continents, followed by insects and amphibians. The first forests, filled with giant ferns and towering trees, covered the land. The age of the dinosaurs dawned. These magnificent creatures, some small and agile, others towering giants, ruled the Earth for over 180 million years. They roamed through lush forests, soared through the skies, and swam in ancient seas. But Earth's story is one of constant change. A massive asteroid impact, about 66 million years ago, wiped out the dinosaurs and many other species. This cataclysmic event marked the end of an era, but it also opened the door for new life to flourish. Section 5. The human story begins. In the wake of the dinosaurs' extinction, mammals, who had lived alongside them, took center stage. They diversified and evolved, spreading across the globe. Among them were our distant ancestors, small primate-like creatures living in trees. About 6 million years ago, in the forests of Africa, a new lineage of primates emerged, the hominids. These early humans walked upright on 2 legs, a defining characteristic of our lineage. Over millions of years, hominids evolved, their brains growing larger and their tools becoming more sophisticated. They learned to control fire, a discovery that transformed their lives. They began to communicate through language, sharing knowledge and building communities. The rise of Homo sapiens, our species, marked a turning point in Earth's history. We were not the strongest or fastest animals, but we had something unique, an exceptional capacity for thought, creativity, and cooperation. Section 6. from fire to farm to factory. Early humans were nomads, constantly on the move in search of food. But around 10,000 years ago, a revolution occurred: agriculture. Humans learned to cultivate plants and domesticate animals, providing a stable food supply. This led to settled communities which grew into villages, towns, and eventually cities. Civilizations arose, each with its own cultures, beliefs, and innovations. The Egyptians built towering pyramids, the Greeks laid the foundations of democracy, and the Romans created a vast empire. The invention of the printing press in the 15th century revolutionized communication, spreading knowledge far and wide. The Renaissance and the scientific revolution followed, ushering in an age of exploration, discovery, and intellectual curiosity. The Industrial Revolution, beginning in the late 18th century, brought about unprecedented change. Machines replaced manual labor, factories sprang up, and cities swelled with people seeking new opportunities. Section 7. A world transformed. The 20th century witnessed incredible technological advancements. Telephones, airplanes, and computers shrank the world, connecting people across vast distances. Medical breakthroughs eradicated diseases and extended lifespans. But this progress came at a cost. The Industrial Revolution, while bringing advancements, also led to pollution and environmental degradation. The human population exploded, putting a strain on the planet's resources. Wars and conflicts, driven by ideological differences and competition for resources, caused immense suffering. The world faced new challenges: climate change, global inequality, and the threat of nuclear war. Despite these challenges, humanity also displayed remarkable resilience and ingenuity. We explored space, landing on the moon and sending probes to distant planets. We developed renewable energy sources and worked to protect endangered species. Section 8. Our shared heritage. As we stand here today in the 21st century, we are at a crossroads. The choices we make now will determine the future of our planet and all life on it. We have the power to create a more sustainable and equitable world, but it requires collective action and a shared sense of responsibility. Looking back at Earth's history, we see a story of interconnectedness. From the first single-celled organisms to the complex web of life today, all living things are connected. We share a common ancestor, a single point of origin in that primordial soup billions of years ago. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, all are products of this interconnected web of life. Understanding this interconnectedness is crucial for our survival. We must learn to live in harmony with nature, not at its expense. Section 9. A future to write. The history of Earth is still being written. We are all characters in this ongoing saga, and the choices we make today will shape the chapters to come. Will we continue down a path of environmental destruction and conflict? Or will we choose cooperation, sustainability, and peace? The future is not predetermined, it is ours to create. Let us learn from the past, embrace the present, and work together to build a brighter future for all life on Earth. The story of our planet is far from over. Indeed, the most exciting chapters are yet to be written.